How are you doing, ma'am?
I'm doing fine.
Can you tell the people what your name is?
Ikija.
Say it again.
Ikidra.
Ikija. Guys, say hi to Ikija. That's a unique name. How you spell that?
Ikeja.
Wow, you know hear that? Don't thief the lady name, you know. You know, it's enough name thief out there, right?
Yeah.
Don't thief the lady name. That one the original. This is your first time?
Yes.
Okay, how you find the service so far?
It's great and really quick. I'm shocked he called this morning.
She's shocked. You hear that, guys? We shock you. Well, I want to welcome you to the family. I want to tell you thank you so much for allowing us to ship your item.
Sure.
And we'll do something special, right? We'll bring come deliver to you. You like that?
Yes, really. I'm really surprised. Thank you.
All right, so we shock her, we surprise her. How that sound? You can tell them bye for me.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Thank you so much. And we're here in Central Village, right?
Central Villages.
Bye from Central Village, guys. We're shocking and surprising.